So if you've spent any time scrolling through social media lately, maybe Facebook, you've probably been hit with those ads for LVM Aura.
Oh, yeah, the ones showing really dramatic stuff, like someone uses a mouth spray and suddenly everyone around them is just captivated.
Exactly. Overly friendly, kind of touchy sometimes in the ads. It promises, like, instant attraction.
Right, and that kind of, well, almost magical result is why we wanted to do this deep dive.
We need to look at what's being claimed versus what the sources are actually reporting.
Exactly. We'll try to balance the slick marketing with the reported realities and technical details that came up in the material we reviewed.
Okay, so what's the core pitch for LVM Aura? What are they actually saying it is?
Well, the marketing makes it sound very high-tech. It's supposedly packed with synthetic pheromones.
Right, and those proprietary compounds, they have these names like oratone, valvescence.
Infanol, yeah. Names that sound like they came straight out of a lab report.
And the big claim is that it adapts to your personal body chemistry for that instant attraction boost.
That's the hook. But the sources we looked at suggest the structure supporting those claims is pretty questionable.
How so?
Well, that legitimacy seems reportedly synthetic too. The promotional methods, those street interviews you see?
Yeah, the ones where it seems to work instantly.
The sources cite those as being AI generated and staged.
Wait, hang on. So the visual proof, the guys on the street getting all this sudden attention,
Yeah.
that's not even real interaction. It's potentially fabricated.
That's what the reports indicate, yes. And the material suggests the website backs this up by reportedly using AI-generated testimonials.
Okay.
And also what are described as fake media logos, making it look like Forbes, Wired, BuzzFeed endorsed them.
Ah, trying to borrow credibility.
Exactly. It seems like a very aggressive manufactured reality designed to mimic a scientific breakthrough.
Okay, so that handles the marketing sizzle. What about the stake? The actual science behind human pheromone attraction. What did the sources say there?
Well, the scientific consensus cited in the material is, let's say, highly skeptical. Experts reportedly agree there's basically no scientific proof that just spraying something in your mouth can instantly attract other humans.
So it's not like, say, insects, where pheromones are a clear signal.
Right. The human pheromonal response is apparently way more complex and honestly still pretty disputed. So this specific application, the spray-on attraction, it's often characterized in reviews and reports as mostly marketing hype.
So at best, maybe it just smells nice.
Pretty much. According to actual customer reviews cited, LVM Aura often functions as just another perfume, nothing more.
Okay, so potentially fake media endorsements, disputed science, and they charge a premium for it. It's around $49.99 for it.
Yeah, and they use all those classic high-pressure sales tactics.
Like the 50% off deals that seem permanent.
Exactly. Plus free shipping, those countdown timers ticking away to create urgency. It's textbook stuff.
So where does the product actually come from, according to the sources?
Well, this is interesting. The deep dive revealed that this type of product, maybe not the exact formula, but very similar concepts, can apparently be found on wholesale sites.
Like Alibaba?
Precisely. For reportedly less than $10 per unit.
Wow, less than $10 wholesale, sold for $50 retail.
That huge markup, combined with the aggressive marketing, the staged visuals, it points towards a classic dropshipping model, according to the analysis.
Selling a massive markup using fake urgency and maybe manufactured social proof.
That seems to be the reported business model, yes.
And does the real-world customer feedback reflect that? What are people actually saying after they buy it?
It seems to align, unfortunately. Reports indicate that people using the product commonly describe it as cheap, weak, and nowhere near what's advertised.
Ouch. And what about the guarantees? They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, right?
That's what's advertised. But customers have reported significant problems here.
Like what kind of problems?
Difficulty getting returns processed, customer service apparently just disappearing after purchase.
So getting a refund is tough.
Reports describe refunds as nearly impossible in many cases. The guarantee doesn't seem reliable based on that feedback.
Okay, let's just sort of step back and look at the whole picture from the sources then.
Right.
We've got this aggressive, kind of sophisticated marketing campaign. It's selling a premium-priced product based on scientific claims that are reportedly unfounded by experts.
Backed by ads that are potentially staged or AI generated.
Followed up by reports of, well, non-existent customer service and guarantees that aren't honored.
It paints a picture, doesn't it? What's really fascinating, I think, is how easily our perception of confidence and maybe attraction can apparently be packaged and sold for $50.
Yeah, that's a good point. If the success shown in those ads isn't real, isn't from the spray itself, but maybe just from the idea of having some secret power.
Exactly. So the real question for you, the listener, might be, what effective strategies can you actually use to build genuine self-assurance, confidence that doesn't rely on, synthetic chemicals or these manufactured success stories?
Finding the real power within yourself, not in a bottle.
That's the real takeaway, perhaps, how to discern that.
Good thought to end on.
And of course, we absolutely must include our standard disclaimer here.
Right.
This discussion has been strictly for educational purposes. It reflects only the claims, reported experiences, and viewpoints found in the source material provided to us. It does not constitute an endorsement or any kind of verified factual claim by us, your hosts.
Absolutely. Just exploring the information presented in the sources.